In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot, Zoho CRM, and Pipedrive together for a more organized and efficient sales and marketing workflow. To get started, open Google Chrome and log into each platform's web dashboard in separate tabs. Keeping them open side by side makes it much easier to compare information, move between systems quickly, and understand how each tool fits into your process. This setup is especially helpful when you're learning the strengths of each platform, because you can immediately see what information lives where and how your team might use it day to day. Use HubSpot as your primary tool for marketing automation and for tracking inbound lead activity. This is where you'll want to monitor how leads are engaging with your business through forms, email campaigns, website visits, and other inbound channels. HubSpot is particularly useful for understanding lead behavior before a sales conversation even begins. By keeping your marketing activity centered here, you create a clear source of truth for lead engagement and can better identify which contacts are ready to be passed to sales. Next, use Zoho CRM for deeply customized workflows and for managing large-scale data operations. If your process requires advanced field structures, detailed automations, or heavier data handling, Zoho is a strong fit for that part of the operation. This is where you can build more tailored business logic and support complex internal processes that may go beyond simple contact or deal tracking. It's a practical choice when you need flexibility and more control over how records are managed across a growing database. Then, leverage Pipedrive's visual pipeline strictly for rapid, deal-focused sales tracking. Pipedrive works best when your goal is to give sales teams a fast, clean, and highly visual way to manage opportunities. Keep the focus here on active deals, pipeline movement, and next step visibility. This helps sales reps stay organized without getting distracted by broader marketing or operational data. When used this way, Pipedrive becomes a streamlined workspace for moving